Hi guys, today I will show you how to coil the rope, a very long rope using daisy chain method. It is very easy to tie and very easy to untie without getting any tangle. Let's do it.
First of all, grab the both ends of the rope, then find the middle part. Keep doing like this until you get to the middle part. Now grab the both ends and hold them together with the middle part. Then we just make a slip knot. Put your hand through the loop. Grab the remaining loop and pull it through. Then quickly put your hand through the loop again. Grab and pull. Again, put your hand through the loop. Grab and pull. Just repeat the process. This may take a while, depends on how long your rope is. Once you reach to the end, tighten it. Then use a carabiner attached to the final knot. There you go, a nice daisy chain. To untie is super easy. Just open the carabiner, untie the first knot, then give it a shake. Then the whole thing comes undone. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao.